Hi friends, welcome to our channel at Techie's Talk. In this video, we are going to see about commenting in HTML and what are all the different types of comment we will be using in a HTML language. So before going into our video, please do subscribe our channel and share it with your friends. Let's begin. So HTML comments. Comments are important notes that needs to be added while we are coding. These comments improves the readability and it also makes easy for others to understand the coding quickly. These comments will be ignored by the web browser. It is always a best practice to include the comments in our coding to indicate the start and end of a section and also some notes. So consider a situation that one day one of the web developer is started the coding, then it is transmitted, or it is the project itself, it is transferred to the other developer. Once he take off, he will be very blank, right? He doesn't know why this this tag has been introduced, why this text has been introduced. He will be blind. So in order to make easy to understand even for others also, at any time in the beginning, in the start of the project, we may introduce some images, documents, text, everything, but as the days go off, we will be even the developer itself will forget why that document has been introduced, why that particular portion or section has been introduced in that web page. So in order to make that use, we can go ahead and drop in our HTML comments there, which will be easy for the web developer to understand. Even they take in any time why that particular section has been involved and who has developed. Basically, these tags will be interpreted by the browser and this will be ignored while printing in the web page. So whatever the comments we are dropping inside the comment tag, this will be ignored by the browser and this is purely for the developer purpose. We have many types of comments, that is single line comments, multi-line comments and conditional commenting. So let's see one by one. This is the single line comment. Here as you see, this is the tag, this is the start tag and this is the end tag. So inside this tag we will be giving the actual sentence. Once we go for single line comment, that is only you are going to give the author name, we can go for this line of commenting and this will be going only for one single line. Whatever the text you are going to give, this will be with the single line comment. Then comes the multi-line commenting. Here these are all the multi-line comment. So previously we saw single line comment where the comment will be in only one single line. Here in this multi-line comment we can span through many line we want. When we need to enter many information for our future use, then we can go for this comment. And so the one point which we need to note is that whatever the tag we have given here, there should not be any space. Even if we have given one space or even if we have missed anything here, any exclamatory mark we have missed it, then whatever the information we have given inside the commenting tag, that will be printed in the browser. So we need to be very careful in entering the data inside this tags. Then comes the conditional comments. Conditional comment is nothing but those comments where it will be used for the IE browser alone. Some of the information we need to pass it for the previous version of IE. in order to use those things, we will be going for the conditional comment, and this will be ignored by the modern browsers, that is Chrome and Safari. So these browsers, it will be ignored, and only for the previous versions of IE. If it is IE 6, then do that. So for that particular usage, we are going for the conditional commenting. So I repeat now. We have seen 3 commands, that is single line commenting, multi-line commenting, and conditional comments in HTML commenting tags. So this is for this video. I am signing off right now. Please do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for the future notification. Thank you. Bye.